Hey there, language enthusiasts! I'm thrilled to have you on board for an exciting journey of mastering the English language. Whether you're here to enhance your vocabulary, polish your grammar, or simply soak up the linguistic vibes, you're in the right place. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's embark on this language learning adventure together. Ready to dive into the world of English? Let's get started.
I'm Charlotte. I'm 19 years old. I'm a college student. And I also work at a restaurant. Living alone with my cat and dog. Makes for a pretty busy but fun life. Let me share with you a typical day in my world. My day usually starts around 7 a.m. The first thing I do is feed my cat and dog. They're like my little morning buddies. After that, I get ready for the day. Brush my teeth, get dressed, the usual stuff. I live near my college, so I don't have a long commute. Classes usually start at 9 a.m. I'm studying art. And it's exciting. But it can be challenging too. I have a couple of classes in the morning. And then it's time for a lunch break. During lunch, I grab a quick bite. Either from the college cafeteria or a sandwich from home. I like to take a short walk to stretch my legs and get some fresh air. It's a good break before heading back to classes. After my afternoon classes, I head to work at the restaurant. I'm a waitress. And I enjoy interacting with customers and being part of a busy environment. It can get tiring. But the tips help me with my college expenses. I finish work around 7 p.m. When I get home, my cat and dog are always happy to see me. It's like they know I've had a long day. I spend some time playing with them and giving them attention. Dinner is a simple affair. I might cook something quick or order takeout. It depends on how tired I am. I make sure to take a bit of time for myself. Maybe watch a TV show. Or read a book. It's my unwind time. One of my favorite things to do is hike. And I try to do that a few times a week. Today, I'm heading out for a short hike around 8 p.m. It's a great way to clear my head and enjoy nature. My cat usually stays home. But my dog is always ready for an adventure. By the time I get back, It's around 10 p.m. I take a quick shower and get ready for bed. Before I go to sleep, I spend a few minutes playing with my pets. They have their beds, but they like to cuddle up with me. Lights out by 11 p.m. It's important to get a good night's sleep, especially with a busy schedule. And that's a day in my life: college, work, time with my pets, and a bit of hiking. It might be busy, but it's my kind of busy.
In the realm of words where stories, the English language a marvelous thing. On learn English in action taking, seek discover the wonders it's truly a dream. Learn English in action like me. Don't visit my church.